Of course, we also had to come and see Ariaria Market. I think it's fair to say, one of the busiest markets in Nigeria. We parked our car within the new structure of the market. Here, all the new shops will come in a modernized way, with elevators, light, and parkings. But for now, the shopping is still inside the old structure.
I think so.
The sun was too much, so we were happy to dive in rather quickly. Once you bend your head and go inside, you start to see how huge this market is.
It's too far, no?
A two-story structure full of everything you can think of buying. From electrical devices, to shampoo, to bras, slippers,
Da ist schon Papi sind bereit.
Yes. Papi, would you say this is your store? You said this is your area.
high heel shoes,
Uche. So about flip-flops.
Aber ich will.
handbags,
Handtäschchen.
flip-flops,
Sparkling shoes. Was hast du gesehen? Ja, look. Ja, look.
fake Nyash underwear,
Den Arsch. Nein.
shirts, jeans, shorts,
Unterhose.
and everything else. Once we got out, we thought that was the end, only to realize that this was just a middle road helping people to get from one place to the other before they dive in again into the next section of the market.
Ja, da gibt es nichts, was nicht gibt.
So we decided to do the same and chatted the Keke to get us to the next place. The Keke was definitely full, with all of us inside. At this point, we didn't know yet the kind of roads we were going to cross. With this, our Keke Aba.
Das ist wirklich der größte Meter.
The small engine and flexible steering helps navigate through these kind of roads perfectly.
Crazy.
Bounce!
And we came to learn that even water can't stop a Nigerian Keke from getting you to your destination. I think Uche and I were a little worried that we would get stuck in the water or get
Mir war ein
wet.
Stecker. Oh, schau mal die Welle.
But neither of it happened.
Alleine.
Our experienced driver navigated us through. And we could safely continue our journey inside Ariaria Market.
Good afternoon. Uchenna. Yeah, I'll slap you now.
They say if you bend down, you see the beauty of Aba, and it's absolutely true.